Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. So today what we're going to do is going to talk you through this huge Isuzu D-Max build that we've done. As you can see, there's a lot of accessories and a lot of cool stuff, and just looks great in this Onyx Black colour. First one, what we've got is this dark smoke bonnet guard. It's just ideal for keeping that bonnet clean. Bugs, as we all know, driving up and down in this country, especially through the summer, it just gets absolutely covered. So we've got that dark smoke acrylic bonnet guard there. If we move down towards the bottom, as you can see, what we've got there is we've got our 76mm powder coated stainless steel Steeler front bar, some little nice, cool, not too in your face spoiler bar. So we do other ones for this model as well, but I really like this. I think it follows the contours of it lovely. For those with keen eyes, what we've also got in behind this grille is we've got Laser's Elite 6 light conversion as well. So you've got two very high output LED lights in there with a really nice integration kit that uses the car's existing fixings and just gives you that extra power output that you'll need as and when. So as I move round, what you will see is we have got our satin black headlight surrounds on there as well. And as I move round even further to show how big this build is, these arches are huge and give it such a presence on the road. So these are our vented style arches. So these are formed from fiberglass, so they're not plastic, so they're really rigid, give a really nice structure. And we've got a couple of different options down here as well, actually. So this is the vented style option. As you can see, nice little vent in there, really wide design, lets a lot of air through. But we also do another design, a bit subtler, that gets rid of that, and just a smooth design that goes all the way down, that doesn't have this vented section. The wheel and tyre combo that we've got on here, perfect offset, and this is our Predator Scorpion 20-inch wheel. So we've designed this around this build. We've also designed it around our Ranger builds as well, but just suits this D-Max lovely, really aggressive deep dish wheel. And we've twinned that with a Radar Renegade mud terrain. So this is a 285/50/20, just gives it that really aggressive look, and yeah, just really suits the car. If we try and move in a little bit closer, we have given this car a lift as well. So what we've got is around a 2-inch lift on this. So it's a full lift that comprises of front dampers and springs. And when we go through to the back, what we've also got there is upgraded leaf springs as well, which gives it that raise at the back and just giving it a bit more of a presence and lifting the whole truck up. What we've also got up on the top is Laser's Linear 36 Elite light conversion as well. So really sleek design actually on this. I really like it. It's a bit out of the ordinary, not like your conventional, just normal square rectangular light bar. It's a really nice design. And it comes with an integration kit that allows you to mount that straight into the roof rails. Now, not all the D-Maxes come with roof rails, but we do supply these as well. So we do offer that option as a full kit. The build on this, you don't normally see it from a D-Max, but it just turns it into something cool. I mean, the D-Max is normally a bit more of an agricultural vehicle, and sort of it's not really been deemed in the past to have a lot of accessories and make it look cool, but this kit just well, you've just got to look at it to see what it does to the vehicle. So as I move round onto the back, what we also have is obviously we've got the rear arch on there, no vents in the front, just a smooth style, bringing that out and bringing the wheel bang on in line with them aggressive Scorpion wheels. But we've got the Alpha SCZ as well. So in regards to a tonneau cover that you put on the back of any of our vehicles, this is my favourite by a long way. I do like the pickup look. So a conventional canopy sort of gets rid of that, but the SCZ allows you to keep that sweeping nice pickup look and gives you a really high quality cover for the back. So some features around this, as you can see, it's got an integrated brake light into the rear spoiler. It is colour coded. Obviously this one is Onyx Black, but they're available in all colours as well. And then you've got these side fins on here that is colour matched to things like the side steps and the roof rails in that grey, so it really looks like a factory fitted option. So yeah, this is the Alpha SCZ. It's got remote central locking off the car's key fob as well. It's got a lined interior. I'll sort of try and show you the aperture of that as well. So Really high quality established dampers, stainless steel hardware, carpet interior, and you've got an integrated light in there as well. As far as manufacturers of tops in regards to sports covers and even canopies as well, there is no better than Alpha. They are the pinnacle of that. So yeah, a really high quality finish on there as well, and you're not compromising any space in the back of the bed as well. So we've got a rear light surround on there to match the front, so in regards to the rest of the lights that's out there, they've got a really nice shape, and we've got a contoured light surround on there as well. So yeah, so that is the full build for the Isuzu D-Max. All the details are on the website. If you want to get in touch with any of our sales guys, they'll talk you through all the different options, and yeah, thanks for watching.